At this stage, we will go ahead and create a Shopify developers account or Shopify partners account. So when you go to set up Shopify store, you have some plans. So Shopify takes or charges these amounts when you want to buy from them, but we're not going to pay them, are we? Because we are going to develop things for Shopify. For that, we need to have a partners account. So you can go to developers.shopify.com, and here you'll find docs. We'll go to docs, and in here we go to tutorials, theme tutorials, get started with Shopify. Here it's showing out that to build a theme for Shopify, we need to join the Shopify Partners program by creating a partners account. So we click here, we open the link, and we come to this place. Simply we have to do is click on join now. It'll take us to the sign up page. So in the sign up page, first you'll have to give your email. So I'll give my email, shopdevo1@protonmail.com. I have created this email for this course. My name is Arafat Jamil. And the password, okay, it says it's strong. Make sure passwords match. Otherwise, it's going to show you red alerts. Now, you redirect it to here. And I am setting this information for future use. Let's tell them my business name. So you can always change this later. So you can fill theme. And your website is optional. You can give it if you want. Address is... This is not my address. I'm just setting up an address for this course. You'll have to type in information from yourself. So Shopify Partners account, it gives great opportunities. So you might do some affiliates or any kind of business in future. So I suggest that you put in your correct details. Okay, what is the primary way you make money on Shopify Partners? We need to build teams. Okay, selling products, referring merchants, no. Providing service, no. Building new Shopify store for clients. We can do that later, but currently we're building apps. Okay, we can select this one. Do you have a client you're currently working with? No, you can select any option here depending on your case. What e-commerce platform have you worked with? Please select. Okay, I have worked with WordPress and e-commerce. I am not working. If you do not work with any other e-commerce platform, then you can click here. Click I have read the agreements, partner program agreement. You can read it if you want. No problem even if you read it. If you don't like it yet, you have to choose it because you're going to create Shopify themes for them. You must agree to the policy. I go to inbox, confirm your email address. I have an email from Shopify. I confirm my email address. I continue. Your email address is verified. So I'll go to Shopify Partners. It'll take me to this dashboard. Now we're completely done with our first stage of creating Shopify Partners account. From now on, we will move on to the next tutorials like building a store and stuffs.